Hello ladies and gentlemen, Danadeo Boye here. You're welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Facebook, which is now known as Meta. It is simple and I'll show you all the process from A to Z. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to enjoy more content just like this. So let's go right into the video. What you're going to do is to come to Facebook app. Don't make use of Facebook Lite. Use Facebook app itself. So I'm going to locate my own Facebook app. So this is my Facebook app here. So this particular Facebook app, not Facebook Lite, Facebook app itself. So I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, I'm going to locate my profile to go to my dashboard. So this is my profile here. I'm just going to click on that. Now my own particular profile here is on professional mode. So you can also turn your own to professional mode. So to turn yours to professional mode, there are three dots here. So this particular three dots here, just click on that three dots. So when you click on these three dots, this option is going to open up for you here, and you will see this place because mine is in professional mode. I'm seeing this option turn off professional mode. So you see your own turn off professional mode. Just click on it and follow the steps, and professional mode will be turned off for you. Now to get verified, this same particular menu here, you will see this meta verified. Now there are two ways you can actually get verified to get verify your profile and page. Now this one of the ways. I'll show you the second ways in the jiffy, so ensure you do not go anywhere. Now to get verified in this particular way, you see this meta verify. Just click on this meta verify. This is going to enable you to verify your profile. Like there'll be this meta this verify badge on your profile. Now what is the advantage of having meta verified is that you have verified badge, as I said earlier. You also have increased account protection, and you also have quick support from Facebook, and you also have a unique sticker. Now there are some important things you must note: that the meta verified is only available for people above 18 years of age. People or businesses, that people that manage it are above 18 years of age, and also you will need to take a selfie video and the government issued ID. Now you can use your NIN, or if you're in Nigeria, you can use your NIN or driver license to do that. So I'm going to click on next. When I click on next, it's going to take me to this particular place here. Now you can see confirm profile. So I'm going to click on sign up because I want to just sign up for that. Now if you are in Nigeria, so I'm actually recording this video as a Nigerian, I'm being billed 4,500 naira per month to actually verify this my profile. And as I've said earlier, what will you get? You're going to get a verified badge and increased account protection, support when you need it, and unique sticker. Now, if for any reason whatsoever your account was unable to get verified after 48 hours, your money will be refunded back to you. And I think this is good. This is awesome. So if for any reason whatsoever they're unable to verify your details you have sent, they'll refund you your money. So just come here and click on pay to get benefit. So when you click on pay to get benefit, it will take you to the next step whereby you can actually make payment, and you're going to submit your government issued ID. And after I've done that, it's going to just wait for 48 hours. Within between 48 hours, they're going to either verify your account if you are qualified, or if you're not qualified, they might end up refunding your money back to you. Now this is the first step. So let me show you the second step. The second step you're going to do is to come to this website, come to this URL. So I'll put the URL in the comment section below. You can check that out. I'm going to come to this particular URL. This Facebook App Center. So here I'm in my Facebook App Center. You can see this place here, request for verified badge on Facebook. So I'm viewing the mobile browser interface. So now you can see, let me just read this. The verified badge means Facebook has confirmed that the page or profile is the authentic presence of the individual, public figure, or brand it represents. All right, so previously the verified badge are required. Previously, the verified badge also required the persons or brand to be notable and unique. It may still see users with verified badge that represent our previously eligibility requirements. So now one must know that for you to verify for your profile or page to get verified, as I told you earlier, you must have these three criteria. You must be authentic, that is, you must represent a real person. You must use your real identity. And the second one, that you must be unique. Your language, your page must be unique, and it must be complete. You must have a complete section, have an about us page, a profile photo or page photo, and recent activities, including at least one post. And you must be notable, that is, you must represent a well-known, often searched person, brand, or entity. So you get, these are some things that you must actually have before your page can be verified. So now if you want to verify, there's this particular form here. This is a form here. All you have to do is to come here and click on this form. So when you click on this particular form, They will take you to this place where you can actually fill up all this. As I told you earlier, you can fill up all this. So they will ask you that what are you trying to verify? If you're trying to verify page, you click on page. If you're trying to verify profile, you click on profile. So let's say I'm trying to verify page. I'll click on page. Then you're going to select your page. So you see the list of your page here. Let's say I want to select this Tantos Academy. Where is that? Let me see. You can actually verify anyone. So you're going to put your government issued ID here. So let's say I'm in Nigeria, I have to go with my NIN. They are going to upload it here. They are going to confirm you're going to confirm if you're a brand or public figure or anything like that. So here I'm just going to click. You can choose anyone here. Click on order. Put your country. So you select Nigeria and just basically fill up all this. Then you're going to be able to click on send and they'll take you towards the payment method where you can make a payment. So guys, this is how you can actually get verified on Facebook, have that Facebook badge, Facebook and Instagram. And I believe that this video has given you some important information which you need to know. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're watching this video on YouTube or watching video on Facebook, ensure you follow this Facebook page or any social media platform you're watching this video. Ensure you follow me there. I look forward to seeing the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends and family, like this video. I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much and I love you. Take care.